How to make a delicious celery soup for lunch or dinner. Hi everyone, welcome to this video where I will be showing you how to make a delicious celery soup. Majority of us are used to celery only through detox smoothies or drinks, but in this video I will be showing you how you can use celery and make a delicious dinner or lunch. It is good to know that celery soup is packed with vitamins and nutrients. For people who are struggling to lose weight, celery soup can be a good recipe for lunch or your dinner. You can combine it with toast or bread. So stay tuned as I take you through the process. To begin with, make sure to keep your vegetables clean. So I will go ahead and rinse all my vegetables. As you can see, I'm washing the leek, after which I will go ahead and wash the celery. The leek contains so much sand, so you want to make sure that you wash it thoroughly to remove all sand, because you won't like to have your soup with sand. After washing my legs, I will go ahead and wash the celery just like I'm doing. Make sure to also wash your celery very well because it contains some sand on it. After washing your vegetables, go ahead and slice them in small pieces. Slicing them will facilitate the cooking process. Go ahead and clean your onion and then cut it into small blocks. For this recipe, I will be using one big onion. Then bring your pot to heat and add a tablespoon of butter. Butter will help to bring more flavor into your soup. Add the onion and garlic into the butter and stir. After allowing your onion to steam for about 1 to 2 minutes, go ahead and add your vegetables, which is your leek and your celery. I will then go ahead and add water. I will be adding about 2 liters of water with some seasoning cubes and salt, and then I'll allow everything to cook until it's soft. At this point, the vegetables are soft, so I will go ahead and off the heat and then allow the soup to cool down. After which I will use a hand blender to mix my soup. I will keep mixing the soup until I attain my desired consistency, after which I will add some black pepper for more taste and flavor. After adding the black pepper, I will go on and mix the soup a little bit again. There you go, our soup is ready. Wow, look at that. Looks so delicious and appetizing. I will be eating it with some toast. You can also use bread for this recipe, and I tell you, it's so refreshing and fulfilling. You don't need to go start eating fufu or pounded yam. This is a perfect recipe, a recipe filled with nutrients and vitamins. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so for more videos. Thanks for watching. I see you in my next video.